You can't tell if this is on. Let me look, Uncle Al. Yeah, it's on. You're getting blind and old as a bat, Uncle Al. Great, thank you, Uni. Hi, kids, I'm Uni. Uncle Al should go to that home. No. Okay, I gotta do a lot of things, and yes, I'm in my steampunk, aka mad scientist outfit. I did a mail call, and yes, I did get a few freebies. This one came in the mail. We're gonna open it up, and usually I don't get anything from anybody, which is kind of sad, other than from Wayne and a few other people. Thank you very much, guys. But let's see what I got. I got thank you for shopping. Okay. I'll put that over there. Now, nice thing is, a lot of people ask me, Uncle Alan, what do you got a headband for? And I keep telling them this style. Because I always have a headlamp always everywhere. But sometimes I'm in a foreign country and I don't have a chance. So let me take off my hat. Let's see if we can open this. Cut that. Now, don't do that with a good pair of scissors. That was my survival pair. Boy, they don't want Uncle Alan to use this. Must be dangerous. Okay, now it's just a band. Thank you for Inspired John sending me this. But basically, I could slip this into, hopefully into that. A little stiff. And maybe not. It's supposed to take tactical flashlights, small ones, or the cheapies. Yeah, it'll fit, but it's going to take me a little while, and we don't have time. But it should work. If not, I'll just rip it apart and make it bigger. Yeah, that's one fail, but it's a pretty good fail. But like I said, it's supposed to stretch out and fit these right here. So I get a little headlamp that I could quickly. I keep forgetting my head's bigger than most people. Yeah, that's why I used as a kid. Fat head. Oops. Never get old and klutzy, kids. And it'll fit, and I have a flashlight right there, and I can examine things. It's no substitution for this, but if I get a smaller one, that'll probably fit in there, or I'll resew this one and put it more adaptable for this one. I can still do it. These are fairly easy to make, but I just want to show you what you can do. And then I got another one of these free, which is pretty good. And I got this one. You always want one of these. They always miss it in the checkpoints. But anyway, let's do our shout outs real quick. And that's Just in Prime Prepping with Real Russell every Saturday and Sunday night. It was a very good Saturday night. He's holding one on Monday, which is not a drawing. It's just his regular get-together of the guys and gals. And we want to say hello to Corsair Trainer, GM Survival, Happy Prepper, and Becky Styles. Like I said, it's not rocket science, kids. Fairly easy, and if you know how to do search for freebies, this is a pretty good freebie for prepper or survivalist. And then you have the flood lamp. I was kind of sad this kind of failed, but like I said, I'll work on it. Back with the hat. Gotta love the hat. Anyway, Jordan did a pretty good live stream. Sorry, Jordan, I'm just busy. I'm doing my beds. So anyway, and we have Hupple's cat. Go check out his bone breaking video. It's really good. You know, it's not boner video. Andrew Hondo does really good tools. I like it. I don't like the weed whacker ones, but I do like the bow knives and other stuff because Uncle An used to do that all the time, but I don't have that chance. And then we have Irish Colleen, and we have Detroit Prepping, and Lori Jean. Okay, don't forget these guys. And again, it's getting a little bright. Uncle An's, I haven't taken all my meds. It gets a little boring, kids. And then my ration people real quick. You know all of them. Please check out their channels. They need your help. And then we got palmetto prepared. Yeah, I should prick my brains out, kids, because Uncle An's not going to be here that long. So, and then we have Let's Talk About Prepping, Tyler's channel. Okay, I got to cover, I think Raven's Tactical channel was talking about economical collapse, and Uncle An's going to stop that just by talking you quietly and simply like this. Anyway, we have Cheryl Hirsch, DUI fun. I still got to write that letter in longhand in cursive. I got to remember how I did it, but, and we got David Lynn, go check out his channel. And then we got Prepping in Progress. I really like those guys. Okay, and that Reed's channel, Manifestation of Imagination, go check that out. DUI Silver, I got a few more people I got to fill in there, but I keep forgetting. Uncle Alan's busy. I've been doing paperwork you would not believe on what's going to probably happen. And two, who's crazy enough to build a city in a swamp? Houston. Oh, we have oil money, Uncle Alan. They won't notice. You built a city in a swamp. Okay, it's worse than Florida. Yes, you have dry cycles. Bad thing is, if you have a really strong wet cycle, Houston turns into a swamp. But we got drainage, dude. Well, it don't work, did it? Okay, and we got these folks, fine folks. Check them out. We have Prepared Norseman and Tactical Prepper. And I forgot the Angry Pirate News. I forgot somebody else, but Uncle Alan's mind's going blah, blah, blah. Okay, and Modern Refugee and Will Patriot and Wasteland Prepping and Prep for It. And again, don't forget to check out Hubble's cat. I know he's annoying, but he's my friend and he's in Canada. And the way I figured out my math. Okay, to end this, 10 movies and shows that you should watch as a prepper or a survivalist. Let me get a little coffee. I should eat breakfast or lunch or dinner. What time is it? Oh, it's almost 2 o'clock. Late lunch. Okay, number one movie on DVD or whatever you get it is The Road. You got to check it out. Number two is Survival Family. It's a made-for-TV movie, Japanese. I think Lord Humongous did a review on it. It's a very good movie. Of course, you got to be in Region 3 and you got to know Japanese. But this one, Netflix, The Survival Family, you could do this in America on a low budget. But they're not that smart. How it ends, I forget if that was a Netflix show, a TV show, or a movie. I can't remember that one. But it's How It Ends. Omega Man, with Charlton Heston, my favorite. Panic in the Year Zero, That's with Ray Milan for you old folks. Attack of the Mushroom People. That's number 6. Day After Tomorrow. Not the TV show, but the movie. Into the Wild. A lot of people missed that one. Tomorrowland is a hidden gem by Disney or Buena Vista. Has George Clooney. I go watch it. It's a very good prepper movie. Jericho. And for bonus, They Live with Rodney Piper. These are all for preppers and survivalists. Please check it out. This is your bonus one. Basically, I was doing the mail call, had a fail, things like pick up free or at a discount, which is really good. And I still have to work on this because Uncle Al's, I'm busy. Okay, I gotta get ready for, that date. Uncle Al doesn't do Fair Point, but I'll explain that in a later video. But we did what we had to do for today, which is mail call, trying out new products, see what we get free, do a little shout out, and then we did 10 movies or TV shows. Yeah, Uncle Al, but will they get it? Well, this is a long one, and I hope you guys get it. I'll catch you later. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Bye, kids.